Hey guys, and welcome back. It's Sal here. Long time. I haven't been on here doing any commentary for a few months now because of lockdown and everything else, but we are back with a beautiful banding video for you. You're actually going to get these banding bands in our back to school Christmas box edition. So if you are struggling to find a hairstyle that helps your child's hair retain the moisture, helps your child to keep their hair on their head and keeps the hair they're growing within your eyesight, I mean, you're not losing it, brushing out every day, then this is the style for you. Banding. I've been talking about banding probably now for over 10 years. It is our go-to hairstyle. In fact, you can probably see a banding tutorial or banding, something about banding on Google if you search for it under root to tip. It's there, it's in the ether. Anyhow, as you can see, I'm banding my goddaughter's hair. This is Sunlight, and basically her hair is very thick, afro textured hair. It was quite dry. I moisturized it beforehand with our honey rain juice and our Sunlight curl cream. Yes, she's got a product named after her, but you can see her hair looks lush, it looks juicy, there's a shine to it as well. But because it's really cold now, I'm going to wrap some hair bands around the twist to keep it together and to keep that moisture locked in. So I'm wrapping my banding band around. If you are buying a back to school moisture kit, the Christmas edition, you will get some free banding bands in your box. So I'm wrapping them around, and it's the kind of hairstyle that just leaves your child's hair stress-free. The products that you just saw were the ones I used. So we actually used milk as well. I forgot. We actually used some triple M milk also, and that helped to lay down the cuticles and bring about that softness. So Sunlight's mummy normally does her hair in cane rows, but we are not doing cane rows for the next 6 to 12 months because we're trying to grow her hair without any stress and pressure. And for me, if you know anything about me, you know that I am not a fan of cornrows that are too tight. I see it all the time on Instagram. I'm literally screaming and knocking on my phone screen saying, why is that child's hair so tight? How is she going to sleep? Look at the bumps that are appearing there. Please, guys, if you're having your child's hair cane rowed, please make sure the person doing it is not going to rip out their edges. Anyhow, let's get back to Sunlight's hair tutorial off the soapbox then. Okay, so her hair looks really soft. I've moisturized it, and believe it or not, I've used no combs. Apart from doing the parts, I used no combs. Actually, no, to tell a lie, I brushed out the hair, but I'd used my hands first, but I just gently brushed it out. And you can see here, I'm using my hands to really just massage the cream into her hair, and that is the key thing. Keep massaging the milk into the ends and you will see that texture change before your eyes. There's no milk like our Heaven's Hair milk. There's no milk like our Triple M Miracle Moisture milk. Hence why the other day a lady bought 6 bottles and cleaned us out. Hilarious but true. So yeah, really massaging it into the strands. My thing is, get the hair feeling lush, get it feeling juicy, and then that moisture stays locked in, and what you'll find is your child's hair will grow longer than you've ever believed and thought. So please do check out the rest of the tutorial on banding. Hope it helps.